Are you new to cooking and wondering what tools you need to get started? Well, fear not. Here are 5 essential tools that can help you on your culinary journey. First up, we have the chef's knife. This is a versatile tool that can be used for everything from chopping and slicing to dicing and mincing. Whether it's fruits, vegetables, meats, or herbs, a sharp chef's knife makes the job easier and more efficient. It's the cornerstone of any kitchen. Next, you'll need a cutting board. This isn't just a surface for cutting and preparing ingredients, it also protects your countertops and keeps your knife sharp. It's a good idea to have 2 cutting boards on hand, one for fresh produce and bread, and another for raw meat, poultry, and seafood to avoid cross-contamination. The third tool on our list is a large skillet, preferably non-stick. This handy tool is perfect for sautéing, searing, frying, and if it's oven-safe, even baking. A non-stick skillet is great for beginners. It's forgiving with foods that tend to stick and requires less oil for cooking, making it easier to clean. Fourth, you must have a saucepan. Ideal for boiling and simmering, you'll use this to cook grains like rice or quinoa, simmer sauces and gravies, or boil water for pasta. A medium-sized saucepan is usually enough for most tasks, and one with a lid will give you more versatility. Finally, the 5th tool is a set of measuring cups and spoons. Accuracy is crucial in cooking, especially in baking. These tools ensure you add the correct amounts of ingredients every time. Sets typically include measurements from 1/4 of a teaspoon up to 1 cup. Having both dry and liquid measuring cups can be beneficial for measuring volume accurately. These 5 tools are the bedrock of a functional kitchen. They'll help you navigate a wide range of recipes as a beginner. As you become more comfortable in the kitchen, you can start to expand your toolkit with items like a food processor, blender, mixing bowls, spatulas, and other specialized utensils. But for now, these 5 tools are a great place to start. Happy cooking!